Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping, or we're looking at the deals, the red, white, and blue deals at Home Depot. All you have to do is come to the page, click here, shop now, red, white, and blue. It says 4,000. All right. So once you get here, you can either click on whatever you want to look. We're a tool channel, so we're gonna look at the tools and accessories savings. All right, the first one. First of all, before we get started, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool videos, make more tool reviews. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you get all the notifications. All right, let's go ahead and start. So the first deal that we have, this is what we've seen in the store. Most of these deals, we see these at the stores. This is just the online version, basically, of some of these deals. Some of these deals are just online. Like this one, we do see it at the store. However, some stores don't even have it. Don't even have them anymore, because some of these deals are really good. So like this one, this is the 6-tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger in a bag for $199. This is a great starter kit, guys. Some stores do still have this in stock. This one says, yeah, it does have some stock, I guess. But yeah, 6 tools included. It says 18-volt lithium cordless 6-tool combo kit with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. So these are all the tools that you get. Pretty much you get a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, work lights. Well, it's considered not really a tool. 4 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour battery, charger, in a bag. So you get a whole bunch of tools. If you're DIY starting out, this is definitely going to help you out for not a lot of money. It's just 3 in stock on the store that it's nearby. So like I said, these are running out. All these sales are running out. So this is a 20-volt max cordless combo kit with 7 tool. See, not all these tools are brushless. $500, I think it's a little pricey for some of these brush tools. Then again, you're getting some brushless tools. You're getting some great tools. Like this oscillating tool by itself, it's $100 by itself. So you know you're getting a good tool here. I believe it's a brushless, one of the newest ones. This is the XR. I guess it's easier to see on the other picture. My bad. Yeah. So this is the XR version. This is $100 by itself. This sander is really good too. It's one of the newer, the better sanders that they have from DeWalt. And this drill is a really good drill too. I believe, yeah, this is a hammer drill. I believe this is brushless. It's not top of the line, but still, it's one of the better ones that they have. So these 3 tools by themselves are, you know, worth. Plus you're getting 2 batteries. You're getting a big battery. How many batteries are you getting with this? You're getting 2 amp hour batteries. So you're getting 2 small batteries, and then you're getting 1 big battery, which is something like that. So it'll be a 4 amp hour battery. So you're getting a total of 3 batteries, and then you're getting the top system case here with the wheels. So it's pretty much a great little box there. But yeah, it's a little pricey, but then again, it's a one-stop shop thing, and pretty much for $500 you get good tools here. Brush tools are not necessarily bad tools. It's just the older version of the, you know, the brushless basically. So I'm not just saying they're bad tools. It's just that if you want the newest, obviously that's not the kit for you, but still good kit. So you got 46-inch 9-drawer deep tool chest mobile, workbench, gloss back, black hardwood top, 348. We used to see this, I believe, for $300. We've seen this lower, or close to $300. This is the Atomic, guys. This is a great deal here. If you're looking into getting to a platform, and you don't have any drills or nothing, this is a great platform for you to get into, especially at $159. You get 2 brushless tools. These are great tools, guys. These are not the newest, like I said, but newer tools. These are brushless, atomic. Well, actually, these are fairly new. But this is not top of the line. XR is, I believe, is top of the line. So yeah, so you're still getting good tools here. It says brushless, cordless, compact impact driver kit. Two batteries, 1.3 amp hour. So you're getting two 1.3 amp hour batteries and a charger. This is not the fast charger. This is the regular charger. Still, 159 is a great deal. Those tools are worth it. So let's see here. All right. So here, this is mostly brush tools. Rigid 18 volt lithium cordless 5.2 combo kit with two 4 amp hour batteries. 18 volt charger contractor back, $2.99. I think it's not a bad deal, but it's not the best deal ever. These are brush tools. You can get probably brushless, a little bit like 2 or 3 brushless tools for about the same price. So then again, to give or take, you get the industrial 52 inch, 21 inch in depth, 15 drawer tool chest, rolling cabinet tool combo with LED light matte black, $8.98. This is not the cheapest. We've seen this cheaper, but then again, it's not a bad deal. Like I said, these are. I would believe this is the best deal here. Out of all these deals, this and this, if you're a DIY. This is a great deal too, but not necessarily the best, because obviously for $60 you can get another impact driver. So you get atomic 20 volt max, brushless, cordless, half an inch drill driver with 2 batteries, 1.3 amp hour. Okay, so $99, guys. This is the deal, the Milwaukee deal. If you guys don't know how to get it, that's basically how you do it. So you click on this, you add it to the cart. All right, you add it to the cart, and then you just go back, select the tool that you want to get. So you can select any of these tools. So you get that, and then just view the tool. All right, so let's say you want to view this tool, and obviously the higher price is what you want to get for free. So you add this to the cart, and then just go view the cart, which I have more items in there. I'm gonna take them out right now, so you guys will see what the video, another video. So it's taking a while. So this is one of the items I bought before. So I'm gonna take this off, so you guys won't get confused. All right. So basically the deal is you get that for free. So it's $2.99 total. As you guys see here, it dropped down the price to $129.68. My bad. $129.68, and then for the batteries and the 8 amp hour battery and the 6 amp hour, $169 is a great deal. So definitely, if you're on the Milwaukee platform, it's a great deal for you. I'm not going to keep going with this because this is just a regular sales video. All right, so we're back on the red, white, and blue section here. We go back into the tools because it did kick me out for some reason. So going back down here, so you got Husky 46-inch front 9 drawer deep workbench. So this is what we already went over this. So $349 for that. You get 3 different colors. I like this. I like the gray there. This is a good deal too. 61-inch 11 drawer, one and a one. What is this? 11 drawer, 22-inch in depth mobile workbench with sliding pegboard, back wall, red, black. So $6.99 or $6.98. Not a bad deal. You got the wet and dry vac for $119. Not necessarily the best deal. This is a good one here. You get one of the best drill drivers or hammer drills from DeWalt with the fast charger here, and you're getting a flex volt battery there. So 20 volt max lithium cordless brushless combo kit with 2 tool flex volt and a 20 volt battery. So this is definitely a great deal. $279. You get a 6 amp hour and you get a 2 amp hour battery. So a big battery and a small battery. This is definitely a great deal. These are brushless tools, one of the newer ones. Not necessarily the best deal. These are brushed, so for $10 more, why not just get this? You know, it's already $159. You're getting brushless. These are brushed, older. This, I believe, a few weeks back it was $250 with the 5 amp hour battery. It did go up, so $299. I mean, it's not a bad deal. It's not a terrible deal, but it's not the best deal ever. Still a great tool. I do have this. I do have videos on this. I actually put this against the DeWalt XR. You guys want to watch those videos? Go to my channel and just just search Milwaukee versus DeWalt. This is the M18. So this is the other kit you can get. $199. So these are the tools you can get with this kit. So again, you add it to the cart, and you click on the tool. You view the tool separately. You add the tool, and then you get the deal. That's the way it works. So $199. And like I said, get the higher price. Don't get the cheaper ones. Let's see here. Here's a $139. Not really the best. Yeah, I guess it's a 3-speed impact driver kit with the 4 amp hour battery. Not necessarily the best deal, but I would recommend other deals. You got the Flex Volt 60 volt lithium cordless combo kit with tool. Yeah, that's a great deal. I believe on the stores they had it for $279. Unless it went up already. Yeah, this was $279 at the stores. So I don't know if this store has them for more expensive or the prices went up. So this used to be $279, I believe. You're still getting a Flex Volt battery there and a Flex Volt tool there, 60 volt. You got 2 batteries here for $49 from Joby. Like I said, it's probably cheaper to just buy the kit with the free tool, and then it's just way cheaper. This is the 4-pack for $159. Not a bad deal. This is an M18 18 volt 2 gallon, so $119 for this vacuum. $79 for this 14 gallon 6 peak horsepower NXT wet and dry vac. $79. It's a great deal. Got the Milwaukee M18 fuel brushless cordless 4.5 angle grinder, $179 with the paddle switch. So this is like this is one of the better tools that they have. Still a little pricey. If you're professional, probably that's good for you. These are great, guys. This is a Shockwave Impact Duty titanium drill bit set, 23 piece, $29.97. This is the DeWalt Atomic brushless cordless impact driver, $99. It is a brushless, so it's the same as the one that goes in the kit. Let's see here. The Rocket Light, you can probably get it with the deal, a lot cheaper than this. Well, not a lot cheaper than that, but you get the batteries for free, basically, for $100 more. Most of these are brush tools. Actually, no. These are fuel. These are brushless. These are fuel. So still $1,000. You have to put $1,000 in to get all that. This is another great tool here. This is not the high torque though. This is the mid torque, which is still pretty good. I believe this is. It's 450 pounds. Still a great gun here for the DIY. So $199 will get you a 5 amp hour battery and a tool. I remember the guys I said about the oscillating tool. This is well, this isn't the Atomic. The other one's the other ones, I believe. I don't know if it's the same tool or not as the one in the kit. You got the Milwaukee brushless 7 1/4 circular saw, $179. It's kind of pricey. This is a great deal. 3 amp hour battery, 2 3 amp hour batteries for $99. It's definitely a great deal there. You got some Diablo Blades. Yeah, $19.88. Not the best deal, but you know, still not too bad. Let's see here. See if we see any more deals here. This is one of the ones you can get with the 2 batteries, but it's already. You got to get it at the store because it's already out online. So yeah, this is one of the tools you can get with the battery deal. All right. And then you get a 2-pack 3 amp hour battery for 99 bucks. And then again, I wouldn't get the 2 batteries. See, this is the other deal, the Ryobi deal. You can get the 2 batteries, and a free tool. So I would definitely search out the two free batteries. So just put Ryobi starter kit. Okay, just put Ryobi starter kit, and it's these black ones. It's not these, it's these. The ones we'll say with the free. So you get that, put it in the cart, and then choose your tool that you want. Which these tools are running out, guys. If you're gonna get one, make sure you buy it because these are running out of stock. So you choose this tool, you choose the tool, put it in separately, and get the deal for 99 bucks, basically. That's the way it works. So anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. There's a lot of great deals. If you guys are looking to get into the DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Ryobi platform, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.